So I noticed that this part is removable.
Okay, so as you can see, I already installed the broken part.
Push it slowly as well. Okay, that's
Okay, so good day. We have here the flat screen TV remote. The issue of this one is the ruler is broken. So you cannot select up, down. Only a press button is working, but up is down is not working. The problem is, as you can see here, the ruler is already broken. So this one is disconnected to this one. So sorry for my bad English. I just want you to try. I just want you to demo on how we can repair this type of remote on our flat screen TV. So as you can see, the part of this one is already broken. So my plan is, maybe I'm gonna use a drill bit so we can build a hole inside, and then this needle we're gonna insert it and then cut this in this part, and also the roller we're gonna put hole in this side, and then we're gonna connect. But before that, we're going to put some glue so that this roller will be stitched here. We're gonna make a stitch. So this part of a roller, we're gonna put some glue or super glue so that it will stick together. So okay, or maybe I'm gonna hit this with lighter or hot air, and then we're gonna stitch it inside to make a hole, and then we're gonna cut this part, a small part, and then also here we're gonna hit that, and we're gonna make a hole inside.
okay, guys. I noticed that this part of roller switch, I remove the rubber, is removable. So I remove it carefully. Just pull it up slowly. Be careful not to damage that plastic, because I hit this needle and then I stitch it on the center, and then when I remove the needle, this part will come out. So I noticed that this part is removable. So this is the easy way to repair the switch, because I made a hole inside. This one is already removed, so I can hold it properly now. And then I made a hole this on this roller, this part that came apart. As you can see, there is a hole inside, a small hole. And now we're gonna put this pin inside of this, and then we're gonna stick it together, and then we're gonna put it back again. So we're gonna reconnect this one, but to make it stronger, we're gonna put a needle on the center, and then we're gonna put some small amount of adhesive. Careful not to mess adhesive of this part, because if that happens, it's very hard to put inside. So we're gonna glue this one. I'm gonna use a super glue, and then we're gonna insert on this part, and we're gonna cut, and then we'll glue it again, and then we're gonna put on this roller, and then we will wait that dry, or the glue will dry, and then we're gonna insert on this roller switch housing.
Okay, so as you can see, I already installed the broken part of this roller switch with the pin inside, like this size, that one. And I put a glue or super glue on that side, on the side of the broken part. So I just only put a super glue in here, and then I've got this one, like a small plastic, and then I do this, and then glue this side by side on the part, and then I wait it on until it's dry. But now it's already dry, so I'm gonna put this roller switch, and this is already tightened and strong, and we're gonna put this roller switch here on this roller housing switch. So okay,
So I'm gonna insert it carefully. Just look where the exact position is, and then while we're doing the insert, just roll it slowly, and then push it slowly as well. Okay, that's it. And now we're gonna the final step. We're gonna okay. So I'm gonna what do you call this one? Listen if the trigger switch up and down is now working. Okay, just listen it. Okay, and then the down switch, and then the center switch. Up, down, center switch. Okay, so it's now fully working, and we're gonna put this one, or we're gonna install it this now. So maybe I'm gonna remove it so that this rubber will intact first, and then we're gonna install the switch or the roller. We're gonna put this first one before we install this roller. So just pull it. So this is how I made it. Just do this one and then pull it up. Use your two thumb, then pull it up slowly. Okay, so now we're gonna put this rubber, and then we're gonna install again the roller. So just like we did on the first step. Okay, up, down, center. Okay, so we're gonna install this one. Okay, so we already installed or fixed the remote. Listen to this, the up button, down, then push, and now we're gonna give this to our customer, and we will see if this is fully work, because the TV of this unit is not on our it's not here. Okay, just listen on this. It's not fully working. Just as you can see, it's like it's look like it's not on repair. So we will see. I will give this to my customer, and we will see the update if this is fully work. Okay, so okay guys, as you can see on the screen, my customer updated me that the remote now is fully working. So thanks for watching guys. I hope this video will help you a lot, and thanks again for watching, and see you in the next video.